Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD for Monday, pound dollar for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, GBP JPY, USD JPY, and others. So let's get started. And if you're new to trading, you do not have much knowledge about charts, then please check out the mini course, small course I have uploaded on my YouTube channel. Okay. You will get around 30 to 35 videos. Please watch those videos because see, probably you have seen how volatile market is and why it is so important to have a knowledge about the market if you are a part of it. Okay, so please watch those videos. You will get a basic understanding about the functioning of the market. Okay, so this is a chart of DXY. US dollar. If you have watched my previous videos, then you know it very well that I focus on DXY a lot because I believe that if you really want to make money from the forex market, especially from the USD pairs, then understanding the body language, the movement of US dollar is very crucial. And already I have discussed in detail about the DXY on my GBP Euro USD video and Gold USD video. So I'll try to keep it brief. I do not want to bore you again. So after this uptrend in the market, yesterday we saw that there is some kind of tiredness on DXY right now, but still we do not know whether we will witness some kind of correction or not. Just keep in mind that 97.40 will be very important for DXY. If DXY breaks the level of 97.40 and starts going up again, we will see all the pairs Euro USD, GBP USD under pressure again. Yesterday we saw that they are somewhat trying to take a temporary support. They are trying to breed a little Euro USD, GBP USD. But if DXY starts flying again, crossing the level of 97.40, we will witness again selling on GBP USD and others. Okay. One more thing I would like to add is 97.75 is a minor resistance for DXY on the higher time frame. So there is a possibility that if DXY breaks also the level of 97.40, there may be some correction from 97.75 onwards. Why? Because if I take you to the daily chart of DXY, you can see that we have a beautiful uptrend market, red line acting as support, and right now DXY is just standing at the top. So if DXY goes up also from 97.75 level, there is a possibility that it will be going for correction again. So what I'm saying is that there is a possibility that for the next 5 to 10 days, 7 days, DXY will go for correction because you can see how beautifully it is doing this stuff. Okay, so DXY will go for some correction and we will see some recovery on Euro USD and GBP USD. Okay, so keep your eyes on DXY, very important. And this is the Forex chart of GBP USD and the last traded price is 1.3386. And if you look at the Forex sentiment meter, you'll find it on my website avilashhazarika.com under the Forex 101 section. The Forex sentiment meter, you can see only 20% traders, retail traders have taken short position and 79% retail traders have taken long position. It means that when GBP USD was falling, Euro USD was falling, we all were holding our long positions. In fact, if you look at the Euro USD sentiment meter, we can see the same stuff. 87% retail traders are still holding their long position. And where they have taken the long position, the average long position is actually 1.1340. Okay, and this is the main reason why retail traders lose money in the market, because we fail to jump off a ship when we see that this ship is drowning. Okay, and but still we keep on hoping that market will bounce. Yes, my stop loss was hit too. My stop loss on Euro USD was hit too, but I did not lose much because I know to do proper risk management. So my dear friend, if you really want to survive in the market, risk management is the only way, because no strategy is sufficient enough to make a trader profitable if he does not follow proper risk management. Because one bad trade can wipe your whole profit of the month, your whole capital. Please use proper risk management. And if you look at the chart of GBP USD here, then you can see that obviously market is in downtrend and the trend line is acting as a dynamic resistance for the market. So if we see some recovery on GBP USD also, then this trend line will be a big problem for GBP USD. If I draw the Fibonacci retracement here, then you can see that in this level 1.3450 level, we have the Fibonacci and as well as the trend line acting as a strong resistance here. So combining these two factors, this level will be a very hard. This will be very hard for GBP USD to cross if it tries to recover also. I think that this level can be a selling opportunity for traders. And overall, we can see that GBP USD is in downtrend right now, and as we all know, market has only one rule, that is follow the trend. And in this market condition, I will not recommend any buy level. If you really are looking for some buying opportunity for day trading purpose, then my dear friend, this is very risky. But if you are looking for buy option or for positional trade purpose, let's say 2 months, 3 months, 5 months, 6 months, then I think then you can take a small buy position on GBP USD. But for day trading purpose, 1 day, 2 days, this is not the ideal chart for you. Okay, this is not an investment investment opportunity. Okay, so I think if it tries to recover, this can be a good opportunity to take a sell position around 1.3450. But make sure that you get the confirmation. Confirmation will be in the form of a inverted hammer, shooting star, bearish pin bar. When you see the market is reversing, take a sell. Okay. And on the other hand, if dollar starts flying again, if we see fresh selling, yes, fresh selling on GBP USD, then obviously it will break the level of 1.3350 and we will see fresh selling. If it breaks the level with a big fat red candle, you can take a sell position below this level as well. So these two are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of GBP USD right now. Again, I'm saying, considering the trend of the market, I'm just giving you two sell opportunities in this chart. I'm not recommending any buy because the chart is extremely bearish, selling pressure is very high. If you want to take a buy position for long term purpose, 2 months, 3 months, 5 months, that's your own decision. But for day trading purpose, taking a sell position is very risky. So let's see how the dollar reacts on Monday. The reaction and the movement of dollar DXY will be very crucial. Let's see. Bye bye.